Flares. Use flares only in an emergency. Always read the manufacturer's instructions before using flares. Aerial flares should be fired at an angle into the wind. If the wind is strong, the firing angle must be reduced. Flares should be kept within reach and stored vertically in a cool, dry place, such as a watertight container, to keep them in good working condition. There are 4 types of approved flares. The rocket parachute flare creates a single red star, reaches a height of about 300 meters, and comes down slowly with a parachute, is easily seen from the ground or the air, and burns for at least 40 seconds. The multi-star flare creates 2 or more red stars, reaches a height of 100 meters or so, and burns for about 4 or 5 seconds, and is easily seen from the ground or the air. The hand flare. This is a red flame torch that you hold in your hand. It provides limited visibility from the ground. It's best used to help air searchers find you and burns for at least 1 minute. And finally, the smoke signal creates a dense orange smoke and can be only used during daylight hours. When buying distress flares, look for the Transport Canada approved stamp or label. Remember that flares are only good for 4 years from the date of manufacture, which is stamped on every flare. Ask the manufacturer how to dispose of your outdated flares. Visual flares are not required for boats up to 6 meters and for human-powered boats. Flares are not required for boats that will never be more than 1 nautical mile from shore, have no sleeping quarters, or is engaged in an official competition or in the final preparation for an official competition.